Hello, this is RingRing. Welcome to the Kotlin Multiplatform Learning Series for Android engineers. In this video, we'll explain the fundamental steps to learn Kotlin Multiplatform and how this video assists in each step. Firstly, let's start with environment setup. Follow, JetBrains official guide. You can find the URL in the description. Following this guide, install Xcode, Kotlin Multiplatform plugin, and KDoctor. Next, let's move on to the official tutorials. JetBrains provides two main types of tutorials, and we recommend going through both. The first tutorial focuses on commonizing logic with Kotlin Multiplatform while UI is implemented separately using Compose and SwiftUI. The second tutorial covers commonizing both logic and UI with Kotlin Multiplatform and Compose. These tutorials lay the foundation for Kotlin Multiplatform, and in this series, we'll explain the technical points for each tutorial. The URLs for each tutorial are also provided in the description. Once you understand the content of the official tutorials, let's explore more advanced topics using sample codes. JetBrains recommends 15 sample codes for Kotlin Multiplatform. In this series, we'll select for projects, applying architectures and libraries that you might want to use in your own project, learning the necessary technical points. We also plan to pick and explain several sample codes in this learning series. The URL for the list of sample codes is provided in the description. To summarize, mastering Kotlin Multiplatform involves starting with environment setup, progressing through official tutorials, and learning advanced topics from sample codes. We'll guide you through the challenging aspects at each step in this learning series, so make use of it in your learning journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more content on Kotlin Multiplatform.